Right there, green-minded people, welcome again to this another episode of our cactus farm visits in Thailand. In this video, we will show to you what Cactus Library has. Because of the success of our first episode on Cactus Farm visit in Thailand, we have again visited another cactus spot at the heart of Bangkok. Let us all discover the Cactus Library. Located at Khoang Lat Prao, Cat Lat Prao in Bangkok, you can simply reach Cactus Library Cafe via Grab taxi or simply by driving your car. You will be welcomed by an open grounds which is filled by so many varieties of cacti which will really satisfy your sight. All cactus lovers will love cactus more at the Cactus Library Cafe. Look at this corner full of variegated gymnocalycium with bright and astonishing colors. Aren't they amazing? If you love them, you can simply add them in your basket. They have actually a lot of spots that you can take your photos on like this. Their cafe also offers cakes, drinks, and others. Like this one. This really captured our attention. Look at this cutely decorated cupcakes over here with full of cacti and succulents. This cafe is decorated with cactus and succulents theme all over. So we're actually trying their cupcake here, and it says vanilla cupcake, and let's see. So, it's a chiffon based cake, and there are cream. Yeah, I think the frosting is cream. So, but I think what matters most here is the decoration. It's so cute. One thing that we noticed about this cafe is the perfect arrangement of their cacti. They were categorized accordingly to their sizes and their variety. Like for example, this one, look at how neatly they are arranged. Because of this, it's not gonna be a hard time for you if you want to find something, making your shopping an easy one.
Well, the place is really good. It's nice, and here you will find different varieties of cactus. You will see that in different areas wherein they showcase the varieties and the site says those cactus that they imported from other country, and of course because we will see that in the nursery area and the display area.
One of the best things about this cactus library is that they have so many beautifully decorated handcrafted pots for your plants. You can choose from the simplest to the wildest decor, they all have it. And of course, prices vary based on the materials, the design, and the sizes. Cute ceramics figurines are also available to accompany the decor on your plants. They also have these fantastic pots in here. Actually, I think this is a cactus glass. But if you're going to plant a cacti in here, then perfectly, it's beautiful. See, it's just awesome. And here are the others, and another one in here and here. If you're amazed of these cute pots, like this one, they've got the rabbits in here, and also these dogs and pigs. Look at that, they just have this amazing collections of pots. So the prices really vary, right? As you can see, this cactus here is worth 15,000 baht, and I guess I believe that it's not a question because of its feature. Look at that. This is variegated. So what I'm showing right now to you, green-minded people, is actually their nursery, and we cannot get inside there, but fortunately we can see what's going on inside. So this is where they breed, and after that, when they are ready, maybe they're going to sell it on the display area. There you have it, green-minded people. It was an amazing mini adventure here at the Cactus Library. Generally, it is a well-spent time. So if you have time out there, just here right at the city of Bangkok, don't forget to visit this place. It is a well-loved place. Most importantly, the staff are amazing and you can get a lot from here. So if you have a question, please feel free to comment that on the comment section below. Once again, please join us in our next video in this special episode of touring in different cactus farm in Thailand. This is the Green Minded Project.